Hi lovelies! Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I would like to wish everyone a wonderful new year. Love, peace and good health in 2022. May all your dreams come true. Right, enough chit chat. Let's get into the video. Today we're going to be making a very simple rice recipe. Nothing fancy about it, but oh, it's delicious. This recipe can be eaten without any relish. It tastes so good, you don't even need to have anything beside it. I would love a little bit of plantain beside it, but besides that, you wouldn't need anything. If you're a vegetarian, this would be a great dish. You just have to omit one thing, but we'll get into that at that stage. Okay, let's get into this. Enough talking. Okay, let me go. I have 1.5 medium-sized yellow onion. I have 1 red onion that I've thinly sliced. I have 3 cups of basmati rice that I have washed. I have some chicken stock. And I have curry masala in here. All right, I'm gonna put my pot on to heat up and I'm gonna add some oil. Let's get to the pot. Right, the pot is already heated. I'm gonna add vegetable oil. Guesstimate, I just cover the bottom of the pan. Turn the stove back up. And I'm going to add all the onions in at the same time. I'm going to fry the onions off. When you first put the onions in the pot, you're going to smell the onions like kind of burning your eyes, like, you know, all teary. I'm going to put them in the pot and then you're going to see them start to turn brown after about maybe 5-minute mark so. And you're going to, the scent of the onion is going to change. It's going to start to smell sweet, like a sweet scent. Then you know your onion them ready. You don't want to burn them. Okay, let's do this. Don't go nowhere, leave the pot. Stand here and keep stirring the onions because you don't want them to burn. I have my heat on medium-high. Here's where you're going to start to smell them. You're going to be smelling the raw onion, like that teariness. That's what you're going to be smelling now. And as they keep frying, sweating down, you're going to start to, it's going to start to pull this sweet scent. Okay, this is how they're looking. You're almost there. Not the right stage yet. We're almost there. You got brownish a little bit more. Now you're starting to smell them get a little bit sweeter. Maybe about 2-3 more minutes and then we're there. Okay, you reach that stage that you have to be at. Onions brown, not black. All right, here I'm going to turn the stove down just a little bit. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of that curry masala. If you like it spicier, add more. We're gonna cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes. You're just frying the curry to bring out the flavor. It's like when you have a nut and you crack it. That's what you're doing with the curry. You can instantly smell the difference in the flavor. It becomes rich. Okay. Now we're going to add the rice. Stir this up. We're going to fry the rice until the rice starts to get a sweet scent, something like when you popping popcorn. That's the scent you're looking for. Maybe about 3 to 5 minutes you're going to fry the rice. While the rice is frying off, we're going to make the stock for the rice. Come over here, boo boo. The chicken stock, I'm going to use two and a little bit teaspoons. If you're vegetarian, you can also use just vegetable stock. Boiling hot water. I'm using the same amount of water as I did in the rice. So I had 3 cups of rice. I'm going to use 3 cups of water, but I'm only making 1 cup of stock. And the rest water. Ooh, you see all of that steam there? I'm going to turn my fire all the way down to low. Stir everything up together. I'm going to cover this and let this cook for 12 minutes. This is how your rice got to look fluffy. You're being steamed up. Oh Lord. Now, turn this off. You can let this sit after you. Remember the last time you cook rice? Go into your rice with a fork. Fluff up your rice. Let it sit for 5 minutes with that steam. Okay, let's plate her up. And there you have it. A delicious rice you can eat just like that, or with anything on the table. Okay guys, that was it from me. Until the next video, I'm out. Bye.